Welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. Myself, Assistant Professor Mithili Gaurishankar, going to teach you today second part of Microsoft Excel. This course is for SYBAF, SYBCBI, SYBMS in semester 3, TYBCom in semester 5. We are going to see now Microsoft Excel. Introduction. Microsoft Excel 2000 is a Windows based application package. Now the updated version also came. It is quite useful in entering, editing, analyzing and storing of data. Arithmetic operations with numerical data such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division can also be done in Microsoft Excel. This is the worksheet already we have seen in part 1 of the video. Standard toolbar also we have already learned from the first video. Now the modifying the worksheet we are continuing. Moving and copying cells. How to move the cell and copy the cells. Some of the options are there. In that moving the cells, we want to select the cell. After that edit, select the edit icon from home, then cut. We want to paste wherever we need, that is moving the cells. Copying the cells from the same edit, first we want to select the cell, then in the home icon, edit, then copy, then we want to paste to the place where we want to place. This is the moving and copying cells. Pasting, cut and copied cells. So how to paste? After cutting or copying, we want to select the edit option, then where we want to paste, we want to click the icon after the edit paste. Next, shortcut option is there for cut, that is Ctrl plus X. For copy, Ctrl plus C, and for paste, Ctrl plus V. Representing plus is press the button of Ctrl and V at once. Next one, drag and drop. Dragging and dropping is the shortcut method in the spreadsheet. It is easy to do many calculation format, dragging and dropping in all the cells. In the selection of cells, after selecting the cell, we will get the plus sign at the right end, below end of the cell. After that, if we are dragging the cells, pressing the right click of the mouse, the drag and drop will be automatically done by the spreadsheet. Next one, freezing pan. If you have large worksheet with column and row heading, those heading will disappear as the worksheet is scrolled. If more than lakh data is there, freezing pans is helpful there to seeing the heading. Click the label of the row below that should remain froze at the top of the worksheets. Select window, freeze, panes from the menu bar. This is the option to select freeze pane. To remove the freeze pane, same, select windows and unfreeze pane. Page breaks. Page break setup is seen in the option insert. Page break can be done after 1000 data or 2000 data according to the necessary conditions. So after selecting the rows till where we need page break, selecting insert, then page break from the menu bar, the page break will be done automatically. File page setup is the next option. Here some of the options are in the dialog box, that are page, set margin, add headers and footers. Let me see one by one. First one, page. The page option allow you to set the paper size, orientation of the data, scaling of the area, print quality, etc. These are available in the dialog box when we are selecting the option page setup in the file. Windows to make the page landscape or portrait are also possible. The size of worksheet on the page can also be formatted using scaling. To force a worksheet to print only one page wide so that all the columns appear on the same page. This is also possible using fit to one page wide. So this is the page of dialog box of page setup. If we are selecting the page first option, portrait landscape selection will be there, adjusting of scaling, fitting to the pages, paper size, print quality, first page number automatically coming, it are all available here. Pressing OK, it will be assigned to the page and it is convenient to see the page whatever options we have given. Margin, next page setup we are having, setting the margin. Margin, change the top, bottom, left and right margin under the margin tab. Enter values in the header and footer fields to indicate how far from the edge of the page this text should appear. Check the boxes for entering horizontal or vertical on the page. These are possible in margin. So second option in the page setup is margin. Left, top, header, right, bottom, footer. Values can be changed using the scrolling buttons. Horizontal and vertical center on the page also can be assigned. After that, clicking OK, it will be accepted. And the options selected are converted in the pages. We can see that. Next, third one is header footer tab, gives you the option to set the header which will be displayed on the top of every page or slide, and the footer which will be displayed on the bottom of every page or spreadsheet. Add preset header and footer to the page by clicking the drop down menus under the header footer tab. This will be possible in this option. So the third option is header footer. Header custom we can do, footer custom we can do, and pressing OK, we will get the selected options. To modify present header, if already we have set the header or footer, to modify it, we want to go for custom header, custom footer button. After that, we can change the format text, page number, total number of pages, date, time, tab number, tab name and file name. Options there. Format text means changing the style of font and size of font, style of font. Page number, insert the page number of each pages, and the other options in page setups are total number of pages. Using this feature along with the page number to create the string of 5 to 10. Adding date is possible, current date will be displayed, current time will be displayed, and worksheet files and worksheet tab can be named in the options given as file name and tab name. Fourth one is sheet tab. In this option, select the area to be printed. Guidelines will be available if we need in the print. Worksheet is several pages long and only the first page includes title for the columns. Select rows to repeat at top to choose a title row that will be printed at the top of each page. So like this, if we are selecting the option will be displayed and the page will be printed according to that. So these are the options we are having in the sheet. Next, print preview. Before the printing, we can see the print preview using the icon print preview selected from file. It is in the menu bar to view how the worksheet will print. Click the next and preview button at the top of the window to display the pages, and click the zoom button to view the pages closer. Make page layout also modifying needed by clicking the page setup button. Click close to return to the worksheet or print to continue printing. So this is the page for selecting the print. Name, where we have selected the printer. name will be coming here. Here the HP laser jet is there. Then print range, all pages need or pages from to we need, number of copies how much, then selection entire workbook or active sheets we need. These are the options we can select. After that we can preview before the print, use clicking the preview. After that confirmation of final print we can give print OK. So these print range, print watts, copies and select OK is the option for print preview and for file printing. When the work is finished, it is saved properly. So to close the spreadsheet file, we want to press close, it will be closing, or cross symbol in the right end. When we are closing without saving or last update, it will be asking whether we want to save or not. If we are giving yes, it will be saved the last update. If we are not giving no, the last update will not be saved. Exit command from the file is used to close all the files. Some of the shortcut key for using the Excel is document action, directly opening the file by Ctrl O, new file is Ctrl N, save as is making another copy of saved file, saved spreadsheet is F12, save the file that was working in it is Ctrl S, print Ctrl P, find Ctrl F, replace Ctrl H, go to F5. Ctrl F is to find. Anywhere if we are want to find in the big files, we can use Ctrl F and typing the word, it will be finding. If it is repeated more than once, it will be noted that 5 times it is repeated, 50 times it is repeated. Replacing that is also possible. Replacing which one, where particularly we can give in the options. Cursor movement keywords are there. One cell up arrow we are doing by arrow mark key, one cell down arrow, one cell right tab, one cell left shift tab, top of the worksheet to go cell A1 control home, otherwise end of the sheet to go, that is last cell with the data control end of row to go to end of row home, to go to end of column control left arrow, move to next worksheet control page down. Some of the formulas is to compulsory have type the formulas in Excel. We want to use equal to, apply auto sum, for that control plus equal to, current date control plus semicolon, current time control plus colon, for spelling F7, help F1. Spelling means spelling checking, help means using need any help for Excel, macros for using macros Alt F8, selecting cells, all cell left to current cell, if we want to select means shift plus left arrow, all cells right of current cell means shift plus right arrow, entire cell selection is control plus space bar, entire row shift plus space bar, entire worksheet is control plus A. Formulas for text style, font style is for bold control B, italic control I, underline control U, strike through control 5, formatting edit active cell, for that we want to use F2. Some of other formula to format as currency is shift plus control plus dollar, 2 decimal place if you want to do means shift plus control plus percentage, control X is control plus X is cut, control plus C is copy, control plus V is paste, control plus Z is undo, control plus Y is redo. Format cells dialogs box is control plus 1. So we have seen the basic idea of Excel, how to make the spreadsheet data collection and other basic ideas, and also shortcut keys using in the Excel. Thank you, students.